Hi guys! Hi! Hello guys! Welcome to my reaction channel. My name is Angelica Reyes, a new YouTuber from Philippines! I'm so energetic. Full of energy, yeah. So for today's video, we're going to react to the list of rich temples in India. So, before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and comment some suggestions below and like. So, let's start.
Most Indians are deeply religious and don't think twice about donating a generous portion of their wealth to temples.
I always
In
dance.
fact, devotees have often been seen donating entire sacks of gold, silver, and even diamond to temples. So it's hardly surprising that some temple trusts are ridiculously rich. They are so wealthy, in fact, that a few of India's temples have a net worth more than the entire GDP of some countries. Don't believe me? Take a look.
Padmanabha Swami Temple.
The Padmanabha Swami Temple, located
Swami.
in Thiruvananthapuram, isn't just the richest temple in India, but also the world. The temple
like the
shot to
sound.
fame in 2011 when 5 secret cellars were opened after being sealed for decades. What was found could render anyone speechless.
I've told this one on my previous video, the top 5 most mysterious temples in India, and check that on the link. I'm gonna put it on my description. Check it, guys.
Antique gold ornaments, a gold idol of Mahavishnu estimated to be worth 500 crore rupees, a sack full of diamonds, golden crowns, 17 kilograms of gold coins, gold trinkets weighing 1 ton, an 18-foot long golden necklace, and thousands of pieces of antique jewelry were found. The Padmanabha Swami Temple Trust is so rich, no one can actually even estimate its worth.
Wow.
But it's touted to be over a trillion rupees.
Tirupati Balaji. Did I say it right?
Tirupati's Balaji Temple was considered India's wealthiest temple till the treasure of Padmanabha Swami was discovered. But it is still the world's wealthiest temple in terms of the donations it has received. Dedicated to Lord Venkateshwara, this temple receives donations worth almost 40 crore rupees every single day. In addition to that, the temple trust has gold ornaments of over 50 tons. Every year, the temple converts 3,000 kilograms of gold received in donation boxes from pilgrims as gold reserve deposits with India's nationalized banks.
Every year. My God, every year. Shirdi Sai Baba Shrine. Did I say it right?
Sai Baba has millions of followers all over the world. And the Shirdi Temple Trust is reportedly the 3rd richest in India.
How they construct this kind of temple?
Estimated to be worth around 2,000 crore rupees, the trust is known for helping the needy in times of crisis. 380 kilograms of gold and over
their temples is full of golds. And please comment down below how how you guys construct this kind of temples. I'm so confused right now.
over 4,000 kilograms of silver are believed to be a part of this temple's earnings. The temple also gets donations worth almost 200 crore rupees every year.
Crore rupees. Good. Vaishnu Devi Temple.
The holy cave of Vaishno Devi gets over 1 crore pilgrims each year, making it the second most visited temple in India after Tirupati. Reports suggest that the temple, which is located at an altitude of 5,200 feet in the Himalayas, collects cash donations worth 500 crore rupees every year.
The mountain of Himalayas.
Apart from this, it has got 1.2 tons of gold in the last 5 years.
Siddhivinayak Temple.
Mumbai's famous Siddhivinayak temple is dedicated to
Siddhivinayak
Lord Ganesh
temple.
and is visited by lakhs of devotees, including several big politicians, renowned businessmen, and Bollywood stars.
Ooh, Bollywood stars.
Reports suggest that the temple earns around 125 crore rupees annually and
yearly.
has amassed around 1.5 tons of gold.
Golden Temple. From the word itself, Golden Temple, full of golds.
Amritsar's Golden Temple has tremendous
beautiful.
religious significance. It is the holiest shrine in Sikhism.
Wow, it's so beautiful at
The upper
night.
floors of the Gurdwara have been constructed using 400 kilograms of gold. The holy Guru Granth Sahib kept inside the temple is studded with diamonds, precious stones and jewels. It is estimated that an average 40,000 pilgrims visit the Golden Temple every day, and
Every
donations
day. Every day 4,000. Every day, my God.
give it an annual income of around 50 crore rupees. A large part of these earnings are
My head
given
is
back to
aching.
society through a massive community kitchen that is constantly feeding people.
Wow. Kashi Vishwanath Temple. Oh my God, how they deconstruct this kind of temples. My God. It's so amazing, so beautiful. You have so many beautiful temples in India.
Situated on the banks of river Ganga, Varanasi's Kashi Vishwanath temple has managed to maintain its glory despite being looted and demolished in the past.
Wow.
The temple hosts almost 50 lakh devotees every year. The annual donation received is around 5 crore rupees.
Wow.
Apart from this, the temple has 3 domes, 2 of which are plated with solid gold.
Wow. Wow.
The Kashi Vishwanath temple's latest records peg its worth around 75 crore rupees.
Somnath Temple.
The wealth of Gujarat's Somnath temple was so bountiful that Turkish ruler Mahmud of Ghazni looted it 17 times for its gold and silver collections.
Wow. So
It
beautiful.
was also looted by
So
Aurangzeb
beautiful.
and later by Portuguese invaders. But despite all these attacks, the temple retains its splendor. While the exact wealth of the trust remains undisclosed, the temple possesses plenty of assets, including 1,700 acres of land, giving it a spot in this list of India's wealthiest temples.
Oh, the sunset.
Located in Gujarat, the
the
temple is
sunset.
known for receiving sacks of gold and diamond jewelry from diamond merchants.
So beautiful. Meenakshi Temple. Meenakshi Temple.
Madurai's Meenakshi temple witnesses the footfall of almost 20,000 devotees on a daily basis,
Wow.
from whom it earns an annual income of around 6 crore rupees.
Oh my God, I
During
always
the
say
Meenakshi
wow.
Tirukalyanam festival, plenty of donations are seen in gold, silver and diamonds. The temple also has 2 carts made from gold that add to its net worth.
Wow. Jagannath Temple.
Puri's Jagannath temple is one of the Char Dhams of Hinduism and receives nearly 30,000 worshippers daily,
Daily?
which can
30,000?
go up to 70,000 on festivals. The temple once got nearly 2 crore rupees donation from a European devotee.
Oh, I want to go in here.
There are also 30,000 acres of land registered under the name of Lord Jagannath. Estimates suggest that the deities are adorned in 209 kilograms of gold during the Rath Yatra. The entire worth of the temple is more than 150 crore rupees. How many
Wow.
of these temples have you visited? Let us know
Nothing.
in the comments. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel to discover more about incredible India.
Guys, please subscribe to their channel. So if you guys just visit one of these kind of temples, just share it to me and put it on the comment section. So until now, my God, golds, diamonds, silvers, like that. You guys, you have so much, plenty of treasures in India. Okay, so for today's video, thank you guys for watching and hope you like it. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell and like. And put some comments down below. Bye! Bye!